Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Today we're at home and we have something to unbox. Yay! Let's see what it is. Anyway, this one is another big into energy. This is the last one that I'm going to get, I think. But we should not say the last one anyways because it's kind of like it's not gonna be the last one, I think. But anyways, this is the I already have Serenity and then I already have Hope. So I'll show you them. Ta-da! So these are my babies right now. And then we will add another one in this mix. So this is the one that's my favorite one. And then thank you, Anna, for having for sourcing this one for me because I know you're the one for these things anyways that I can count on. So it's really fresh, and then let's see what it is. Do you have any guesses? If you have seen my video before, you will know what it is. And then this one is ta-da! So cute. Hold on, let me just put that one in here. And then the kids are here with me right now. Sophia is here in front of me, and then Paris is on the side. So. But no further ado, this is my third big into energy Labubu. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Anna, thank you very much. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. The heck? Look at the feet. Gosh, like as if she does have a shoes or boots or something, but look how one. Oh my gosh, wow! Thank you, Anna. Now we have three of them. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is my favorite one. Ta-da! What do you think of this trio? So these are the things that I wanted anyways. So Serenity, because and then this one is Love, and then this one is Hope. So yeah, my favorite color, this one is Love because it's love anyways, and then this one is a special one because this one is from a special person. But anyways, thank you very much. I hope you like this short video that we have. I'm going to push it aside a little bit. So yeah, it's just going crazy with the Labubus anyways. I hope you like this one. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and comment below what do you think, what's your favorite with this big into energy Labubus. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye. We love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. We are at 2,400, no, 2,000 something. And then we want to be at 3,000. So help us out with that. And like, share this video. We love you all. Bye. Look at this pretty, gorgeous thing. Look at her. Oh, wow. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous. There's three of them anyways. Say hi to three of them. Ta-da. My lovelies. Yay. This is so pretty. Look at her.